Why you acting so bad, you nigga? Don't be acting like Sanzo. Done the rapper, this and that, belanga. I was trapping in the ghetto. Bayabona ngokunenza imilingo. They just tryna put my face up. Asazembayeka ngizoqalisa i-pitbull. I'ma give him no day off. Andinemali le phone ya ring. Funa ukuphumelela ngikhangela ispeed. Tinko please, show me the keys. Andinemali only time I heal. Thangazeleni yena unomona. Ingqondo yakhe igcwele ohil. Qhubekekela phambili ndiyangicela bomntwana ngicela ungaqingi. Ndisedebheni nisukela lean. Zama ukwenza imali yenyuka intaba. Ndizonqandeka emafini. I'm dealing with a pandemic. So many haters because I got heat. Makama pizarane kona xanjikela ijaba zengisintsini. Ama rappers angihlabela ucinga, I'm showing them scenes. Xa benibona babona imibono yokuba ndivele nakwi-magazines. Can't never tell niggas what you up to. Nowadays they're just spilling the teas. I'm on my knees praying for a change. Yeah, ngicela umdali ngithi please. Yabona pholiwe lawe, ijimbu siphethe i-hoes and open the doors. I mean like almost every day. They told me I'm young enough to be paid every day because I pull up with checks in the bank. Oh yeah, keep really fuck with bank, just showing them counts. Aye. Yebo, toti. Yebo, toti. Yebo, toti.
Tsotsa namandla, kodwa kweyami indlela nizogila.